students, we are studying the first chapter real numbers, and today we will solve the exercise 1.2. So first question is express each of the numbers as product of its prime factors. So I am solving fourth part of question number 1. Fourth part number is 5005. We have to find out prime factors of this number. So you can see it will be divisible by 5. Now again it will not be divisible by 2, 3 or 5, but it will be divisible by 7. 7 on the 7 to 3, 7 4 is 28, 2, 7 3 is 21. Again it will be divisible by 11. 11 on the 11, 3 carried, 11 3 is 33. So 5005 can be written as product of prime numbers 5, 7 into 11 into 30. So in this way we can factorize the number into its products, prime factors. Remaining parts you can solve. Now second question, find the LCM and SCF of following numbers, pair of integers, and verify the formula LCM into SCF is equal to product of its numbers. Now this is second question, and I am taking second part of this question. So two numbers are, let A is equal to 510 and B equal to 92. We have to verify the relationship. First of all, we will find the prime factors of 510. It will be divisible by 2. Again, it will be divisible by 3. Now it will be divisible by 5. So prime factors of 510, they are, now find out the prime factors of 92, 46, 2, 23. Now we will write it as a product of prime factors. So 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1, 17 power 1, and 92 is equal to 2 power 2 into 23. So first we will find the HCF. HCF of these two numbers is, now we will find the common factors in the prime factors of 510 and 92. So 2 is the common factor. Now we will look at the powers. Here is 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. So while finding out the HCF, we take the lowest power. So 2 power 1, so HCF is equal to 2. Now we will find out the LCM. So while finding out LCM, we take a greater power, highest power of the common factors. So highest power is 2 power 2, and the remaining factors are not common. So we will multiply all the remaining factors with 2 power 2, 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. So 4 into 3 into 23, 60 into 70 into 23. Now it will come out to be equal to 2300, 460. So this is the LCM. Now we have to verify the relationship A into B. A is 510 and B is 92. So their product comes out to be 46,920. So this is the product. Now multiply the HCF with LCM. So HCF is 2 and LCM is 23,460. Now multiply. So if we compare this first equation with the second, from first and second, we get A into B, it is equal to HCF into LCM. So this relationship is verified. Now we will come to next question, question number 3. Second part, first part. Question number 3, first part. In third question, we have to find out the HCF and LCM of following integers by using prime factorization method. So three given numbers are 12, 15 and 21. We have to find out HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. So we have to find out their HCF, we have to find out their LCM. So 12 के फैक्टर अगर हम बनाएं, now 15 prime factorization, 3 5 is 15, 21 prime factorization, 3 into 7. Now write this numbers as product of powers. 15 is equal to 3 power 1 into 5 power 1, and 21 is equal to 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So first of all we will find out the HCF. HCF हम कैसे देखते हैं, जो तीनों नंबर के कॉमन फैक्टर हैं वो देखते हैं. तो तीनों नंबर में एक ही फैक्टर प्राइम फैक्टर कॉमन है 3, और फिर हम देखेंगे लोएस्ट पावर देखेंगे, तो लोएस्ट तीनों में सेम पावर है. सो HCF ऑफ दिस 3 numbers is 3. Now we find out the LCM. Again common factor is 1. Now we take the highest power, but in all 3 factors the power is same, so we will take 3. रिमेनिंग फैक्टर्स जो बच गए जो कॉमन नहीं है उसको हम इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 2 पावर 2 इंटू 5 पावर 1 इंटू 7 पावर 1. into 7, so it comes out to be 420. So this is the HCF and LCM of two numbers by prime factorization method. Now let us come to the fourth question. We are given here two numbers, and for these two numbers we are given the HCF. We have to find out their LCM. Question number 4. HCF of two numbers it is equal to 9. So given HCF is 9, we have to find out the LCM. So we know the relationship between product of these two numbers and their HCF and LCM. So LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Here we will consider A equal to 306 and B equal to 657. So these are two numbers. Now we have to find out LCM. So LCM is equal to A into B upon HCF. और HCF को राइट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज करें, so it is equal to A. A is 306, B is 657 upon HCF. HCF is given as 9, so divided by 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 7 the 63, 2 9 3 the 27. So 306 into 73. If we multiply these two numbers, we get product as 22338. So in this way we can find out the LCM of two numbers when two numbers are given and their HCF is also given using this relationship. Now next question, question number 6. Sixth question is, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So we are given a number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So we have to explain this number as a composite number. So what is a composite number? Composite number which has at least two prime factors. So in this and this terms we find out that 13 is common, so we take 13 common, यहाँ से 13 common लिया, so we get 1, so 13 into 77 plus 1, so 13 into 78. Now we have to find out the factors of 78, so 78 is equal to 2 into, so factors come as 2 into 3 into 13 into 30. Now you can see that this number has 4 factors. So if it has 4 factors, more than 2 prime factors, so this number is a, therefore 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So now next question is 7th question. Seventh question is, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, and while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they start from the same point and same time and go in same direction. After how many minutes will they meet at the starting point? So suppose this is the track and this is the starting point. Now to complete one round, Sonia takes 18 minutes, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. We have to find that at what point of time they will again meet at the starting point. So to find out that, we will find out the LCM of 18 and 12. So 18 और 12 का अगर हम LCM find out करें, so LCM comes out to be 6 into 3 into 2, 36 minutes. So again they will meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. So students, this is the exercise 1.2. Thanks.